Good morning. So I hope everybody had a chance to get some coffee or breakfast. We'll give another minute or two for people to come in, but it's really a pleasure and an honor to welcome all of you here this morning. I'm sure some of you were here yesterday for some of the seminars, and I just hope that the day will be very productive for you. So I'm the president and CEO of Glaucoma Research Foundation. And as I said, I'm just honored to welcome all of you to the sixth annual Glaucoma Patient Summit. The summit has come a long way since its beginning 7 years ago. What started out as a vision has turned into a powerful gathering, uniting patients, caregivers, and advocates with access to tools, knowledge, resources, ultimately making an impact individually and together in the fight against glaucoma. This event has traveled around the country to different cities and reached hundreds of glaucoma advocates. This year's event in Philadelphia offers attendees the opportunity to learn from leading specialists from top institutions, explore new resources from our exhibitors, and connect with fellow glaucoma patients and caregivers. Today's goal, and my hope, is to empower each of you with knowledge, confidence, and advocacy skills for yourself and loved ones living with glaucoma. Today's program would not have been possible without the generous support from our platinum sponsor, Alcon, along with our other corporate. Thank you. Thank you as well to all of our wonderful exhibitors who were able to join us this weekend. And I hope you'll all stop by and thank the exhibitors and sponsors and learn about their products and services. And now it's a special honor to introduce a very good friend of many years and our host for the day, Dr. Jay Katz. Dr. Katz is Director Emeritus of the Glaucoma Service at Wills Eye Hospital and a professor of ophthalmology at Sidney Kimmel Medical College. He completed his medical degree and residency in ophthalmology at Yale University and a fellowship in glaucoma at Wills Eye Hospital. Dr. Katz has published almost 200 articles in prestigious journals and has authored, co-authored, or edited more than 30 books and book chapters. He has been an investigator in landmark glaucoma clinical trials, such as the glaucoma laser trial, the advanced glaucoma intervention study, and the collaborative initial glaucoma treatment study. Dr. Katz has been honored with many distinguished awards. He is an accomplished ophthalmologist who constantly thinks about patients. And we are proud to have him as a GRF ambassador and as our host today. Please welcome Dr. Jay Katz.
Good morning, everybody.
Well, thanks, Tom, and thanks to the Glaucoma Research Foundation for bringing this show to Philadelphia. It's the city of brotherly love, proud home of Ben Franklin, the inventor of bifocal glasses. We also have a very strong medical history here. First hospital in the United States, first children's hospital, first dedicated eye hospital. So we have a wonderful program for you today, some really phenomenal speakers,
both physicians, patients, and we really hope that today's program is going to be informative and interactive. So this is a great opportunity to come up with questions that you're dying to kind of share with the rest of your colleagues here today. We'll try to address as many of your questions as we can. You can submit your questions using the QR code or using the cards on each table. The volunteers will come by and pick up them during this session. We may not be able to get to all the questions, but we'll really promise to do our best. If your questions are not answered, they'll be read by the Glaucoma Research Foundation staff, and they'll be incorporated into future educational programs and webinars, which can be found on their website, www.glaucoma.org. You may be wondering what those numbers are in your name badge. You'll see those numbers there. Those are tickets to a raffle for some amazing prizes that we'll give out at the end of the day. If you are interested, please go to the registration area where you will find the boxes to enter a chance to win a Glaucoma Research Foundation swag bag and a Samsung Galaxy tablet or a Computers for the Blind laptop.